What is going on, guys? Big J here from Big Enterprises. And today, we're at Glacier National Park, day 2. Just woke up, about to go grab some grub. Repping the merch today, repping the send. You can get your Big Enterprises merch at teespring.com/Big Enterprises, no space, no underscore, just Big Enterprises. Link down below in the description. Also, make sure you follow me on Instagram right now. While you're at it, it's Big_Enterprises. Hit me up with that follow. I post consistently on my IG story, so if you want to keep up to my date at the most recent you can, head over there. So yeah, meet you guys at breakfast.
All of my youngest and savages running your trap at you up in the packages. Rob you for bricks, finesse you for
big BLTs, big salad, big chicken, big cheese. Alright, so we're hiking now. Into the waterfall. Maybe we can hop in for a swim. Maybe not. Scope it out. It's so majestic. Yo. Oh my god. I really hope the camera is capturing the blueness. Oh, we're definitely gonna be able to.
It's not even blue, it's just straight up clear.
Little sneak peek at the falls. Probably so loud.
Mother Nature hit him with the
We're gonna head back to the car, get the rope. The water's moving pretty fast, so we're gonna get the rope. Be extra safe and cautious, 'cause that's how we do here at BE. Bigger sense, bigger safety. Oh, almost fell. It's gorgeous. Oh, fog. Hop down there, go for a swim. Gas. Alright, so we're at the cliff. We are deciding on how we're gonna do this. We got the rope, we got the GoPro. I think we're gonna walk back to the car real quick. I forgot the chest mount, so I think we're gonna mount. Yeah, I think I'm gonna put the shirt, a little outfit change, but put the chest mount for the GoPro on, and yeah, we're gonna send it. We're about to send it. Transition over to the GoPro. Got that big chest mount.
big chest.
Hopefully we don't drown. Yeah, transition. Gang, IRL baby. Oh, this is kind of hype. Yo, Kev, IRL baby. Gang. Jeez.
You can use that trick.
But he's too scared to go in the water, so he'll risk his life climbing across. Jeez. Alright. We're full sending it. No half cents. Whoo! Yeah, this water is like so brick. So brick. Part 2 is not too bad, but the rocks are mad slippery. Yeet. Oh, shock. This is not healthy. Like, this is not good for your body. Oh, the slippery rock. Oh. Well, tell me how to live my life. Woo, baby. Woo. Oh, we made it, Cap.
No,
That wasn't too bad.
it really wasn't. I'm surprised.
So brave. Woo. Take it off, baby. Ah, motherfucker. Oh, it's going down.
Just got stiff armed by a branch.
Bigger Sands. Heading back across the river to get the rope so we can climb up to the top. Oh, a little too much lean. So we can climb up to the top up there. Whoa, jeez, buddy. Whoa, whoa. Big rope. Hey, made it.
That was clean.
I'm shaking. I'm ready. Just throw it. Yo, pull. You gotta hold on. The rocks are. I'm dying. Yo, it's slippery. All right. Now that was some content. Woo, content, baby.
I pulled the rock out.
You pulled the rock.
Got some no-go.
Fuck. That was mad funny. Don't slip, don't slip, don't slip. Come here. Come here. Come here, boy.
You'll work. Alright.
Oh, you don't need to hold the rope. Your ass would have been.
Huh?
Your ass would have been all the way over there. Yeah. So nice. Can't believe we made it. Can't believe we made it. That's that bitch shit though.
Fucking elbow hurts so much.
Why?
Well, I got cup.
From falling?
Yeah.
You said it didn't hurt.
No, it didn't before. Now I don't know how much pressure I can put on it.
Oh my god. That glacial water. You want some? Bigger sand. What? I am. That was reckless. Yeah. Hey, so you guys understand this clip a little more. So I got the GoPro on the chest mount. Sorry, not wearing the merch right now, but got the chest mount on the GoPro. So I sit down in the water and I go to slide down the rock. It's just like a shelf about 5 feet out, about a foot deep, like that. So I sit down on the shelf because Kevin slipped and he got sucked down and it was like a water slide. It was like, oh, sick, bro. I'm gonna do the same thing. So I sit down and I get sucked backwards. Yeah, scary. I get sucked towards the waterfall and I just barely get a hold of the rocks with my 2 hands while I'm laying on my stomach. You could hear the GoPro scrape against the rocks, but I would have got sucked into that waterfall, probably under another shelf that was there. That's what we thought was there. That's why we didn't go swimming near there. Yeah, probably would have been the end of BE. So, but luckily BE is here today. So make sure you cop the merch down below in the description. Thanks for watching. Oh, the clip. Hey. Oh. Eat. Big sends. Post send. We're all packed up, ready to go. This is what we on right now. Get that fresh glacial water, baby.
Got some pee right there.
All right, we gotta taste it. You'll see in the GoPro footage, but if the audio is good or not, I don't know. But I hope you enjoyed the GoPro footage that would be before this. Me and Kev sending it. Yeah. You got that water? Huh? Got that water? Yep. Take a sip. For the culture.
What was that?
Take a sip for the culture. Hey.
Wait. Get a look. Yeah, that's clean. That's clean.
Taste
Wait, tell me to look in there.
Oh. Oh my God.
That's that water, baby.
Let me get that water.
It's actually fuego.
That tastes better than the water I bought this morning.
That's a fact.
Fire. Now it's time to make the Hajj up. Full send. Hey, hey, hey. Oh, B to the top. We're about to head to dinner. Just feasted at the falls that we don't even know the name of. We'll get that to you when we get a chance.
McDonald's.
But we're gonna go eat at the same restaurant that we already ate at. That we already ate at 3 times. Or this is gonna be the 3rd. We already ate there twice, so it's a full send in the forecast. All for it, baby. Bigger sense.
Elk.
Big L.